Mr. Camigo. I'm going to be your AP Calculus teacher. Just going to create a intro video kind of talking with y'all about what the course is going to look like initially and kind of how stuff's going to work this year. So we're going to be working in Canvas. I'm going to pull that up a little bit and show you how to navigate it. I'll kind of show you with some of the assignments the way I've kind of putting information up on the course. Below this video, there's another video that has like how to contact me by email and stuff. But basically, we're gonna be, our course is gonna be, some of you will be virtual, some of us will be face-to-face here in a little while. Basically, I'm pushing my lectures up on Canvas. I'm trying to put them up there instead of like giving you a 30-minute or 45-minute lecture. I'm trying to break it into smaller 5 to 10-minute videos. So as you go through the notes, there's quite a bit of videos there. After each video, there'll be the corresponding assignments from y'all's textbook. I expect you guys to do those assignments. And how we're going to be turning those in is I'm going to have you take pictures of your work or scan your work if you have a scanner, but probably just pictures on your phone's fine. And then just upload those pictures to Canvas. And we're just going to cut through the material like that. And I mean, just I guess probably easier just to show you in Canvas what this is going to look like. So let me get Canvas. Okay, so when you go to your courses, you'll go to Canvas Calculus. It should drop you here on this home page. Click on the little modules tab. This is where everything's built. So click on modules, and this gets you down here. The attendance checks, when you click on those, that's just if you're virtual or if you're here, just go through and on the day that there's an attendance check, just click on that and click that it'll just ask, are you present, true or false, and just click true and submit it. And that's just a little quick check so I know who's here for the day. Watch the course intro, and then I'm going to start kind of showing you what the course looks like. So we had the summer homework assignment. As you guys finish that up, you're going to turn it in here. So basically, you'll take pictures of your work along with the solutions, and you'll just upload it. It'll, well, I guess I'm the teacher, so my screen looks a little different, but there'll be like a little submit button that you click, and it'll just ask you to upload the images. So how to get to stuff again is you click the modules button. That pulls up the list of what we're doing in the course, and this list kind of goes from top to bottom. So you'll watch the course intro. There's a little quick introduce yourself deal on just a quick little discussion that the district put in there. Then you'll turn in your summer work, and we'll go down here to the notes. So I'm going to pull up notes. So this is where we start. I have this is kind of Algebra 2 style stuff initially. Have just videos here that you'll click and watch and kind of read on through. And just kind of watch through these videos, and that way if something comes up, these are kind of smaller videos instead of combining them all into one huge video that would take you 55 minutes to get through. So at the end of that, I have some practice problems here, so you can go through and take a look at these quick little practice problems, and it tells you the solution of what you'd expect to get. And you only do the highlighted ones on this. So if you see these types where one of them's highlighted, that's the one I want you all to try. And you'll keep scrolling down, and then it has some more examples. And then you'll click the next button, and now here's your homework assignment. So from the book, we want you to work on these problems. And then, like it says, take pictures of your work and upload the answers along with your work. If you just have just the answers, that's not going to be good enough for this class. You guys need to show me what's the work that led you to the answers. Because if you'll notice, I try to assign you mostly odd number problems so that those answers are in the back of the textbook so you can check and make sure that your work is going to the correct place. So when I grade stuff, like we already know what the right answer is for most of these problems, I'm going to be looking through and seeing seeing, do you have all the work that shows me how you arrived there? And then, we can, this will be attendance check for the next day, sorry. So like if we look at, say, this one here, section 2.2, turn in, let's go back to the notes. So there's video, 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 some more videos. You got practice problem, video, practice problem. And then for these practice problems, I just put a video at the bottom for some of these where it's not just a number you get back. If there's more involved stuff, you can kind of look through that video on how to solve the practice problems that that are listed here. So that's kind of how you navigate the course. Again, scroll back up, find modules. Modules gets you to the information where the notes and the assignments are. Watch the videos on the notes. Try the practice problems. Watch the video at the end of the practice problems, or if I had to type where I have the solutions right after the practice problem, look for that. And then start in on the homework questions. If you guys have questions on the homework, certainly shoot me an email. It's at acamigo@ldisd.net, or you can actually, I think there's a way to send information through Canvas itself. Either way, and I can write some stuff up and send it back to you with a little bit of explanation. One thing I haven't implemented yet, I'm still building the course, but that I'm probably planning on doing is when you all do get to these assignments, I'm going to have probably some videos with some tips on some of the trickier ones, because some of these will be pretty straightforward and they're not too bad, but some of the later ones, there'll be some stuff that's a little weird. So I'll put a little video in on these assignments that kind of give you some tips or some things to look for those types. A lot of the problems that are kind of the practice problems in there, a lot of those come from released AP tests. So these are problems that they've asked on the test before. And I guess as far as the course goes, I just watch the notes, do the homework, get the homeworks, keep homeworks turned in on time, show me pictures of the work along with the solution. I don't just give me a list of numbers and say, hey, here's the answers. Like, I need to see the work, how you generated all those, and you'll take pictures of it, you'll upload it, and that'll basically be how this class is going to work for now. And even if you're, say, someone that's meeting face-to-face with me, I'm still going to have have you take pictures and upload it in Canvas, and that way all assignments are one place and I know who's turned stuff in and who hasn't. It's just with some of you being face-to-face, some of you being virtual, we're going to have everyone, when we turn stuff in, take pictures, upload it to where it's, it'll have like a little submit button, it'll let you upload the files, and that'll keep everything in one place. So I think below this video I got some other videos that'll be about a little bit about some other course stuff and some more general stuff like the COVID-19 policy stuff and some stuff about how grading is going to work and all of that. But in here again, to get to the list, click modules. Modules will pull you over to here, and then you just start at the top and work your way down. And if you have to, take a break or whatever, when you click back on modules, you can just pick back up and continue on where you left off. And we'll stop there. And I guess I look forward to see y'all this year. So we'll go from there.